What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the SuperVerse token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that we have three options available on the right top corner. We would like to buy these coins, so we will select the buy and sell option. After that, this purchasing overview will be opened, and now we can select the purchasing frequency. The one-time purchase is selected, but if you would like to buy these coins with a different frequency, just select it and select the frequency which suits for you. They have a daily option, a weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. After that, we can fill in the amount of cash we would like to use for these coins. We would like to buy for 100 euros as an example, and after that we will select the coin, and that is of course the SuperVerse. Once you have selected the coin, click on it, and then we will change our payment method when needed. Click on it and select the payment method you would like to use. If you don't see any available options over here, then make sure your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a new payment method with this button below. Once you have selected the payment method, you can click on Review Order, and now they will show us some information about this purchase. As you can see, I'm spending 100 euros on these coins, and I don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is completely free for me. Because I have a Coinbase One subscription, you don't pay any Coinbase fees by buying coins on Coinbase. Normally you would spend 3.84 euros on the Coinbase fee, and now it's free. So for the next step, you can select the Invest Weekly option, and then you will spend 100 euros on these coins every week. Make sure you notice that you can cancel it at any time, and after that you can select the Buy Now button to add those coins directly to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!